everyone, and welcome back to TJ's Tech Corner. I'm happy that you are viewing my video. In today's video, I will be showing you keyboard shortcuts. This is the first of few mini-series that I will be showing you. Most people left click and right click, but keyboard shortcuts were invented to get the job done quicker. Before I start the video, I would like to mention a few things. The first thing is, keyboard shortcuts can change depending on what program you're using. In this video, I will be using Google Chrome on my Chromebook. The second thing is that keyboard shortcuts on a Mac, the control button have been replaced by the command button. Alright, let's jump right in. The first keyboard shortcut I wanted to show you is copy and paste. My cursor is in the red circle on the right-hand side. Go to where you want to copy. Place the cursor at the end of the word or words you would like to copy. With your finger, hold down and drag your cursor to the left or the right. You will see that the word or words is now highlighted. Then hit Ctrl and C at the same time. That copies what you wanted copied. Then wherever you want it to go, place the cursor and hit Ctrl V. Voila! It's there. Secondly, I would like to talk about undo and redo. Let's say you are sending a message and you type the word wrong. Example, hi, friend. And you see that you misspelled and want to correct it. Hit on Ctrl Z and it takes the word or words away. This is called undoing. You can hit Ctrl Y and it brings it back. This is called redoing. Sometimes you may have to retype. Thirdly is reopening a tab. Maybe you closed it by accident and want it back. Go ahead and hit Ctrl, Shift, T, and it will bring the tab back. Take note that if you're working on something like your banking, for security reasons, you'll probably have to log back in. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will get back to you. Please hit and comment, like, and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks you for watching and see you next week on more keyboard shortcuts. Bye!